After inserting the reservation source, we are ready to insert the first reservation. For this reason, we can go to MyRent, click on reservation after the list of reservation, and we see already existing reservation list, which we can after filter by plate number, customer name, and etc. And here, new reservation and plus sign you can create. Clicking on this, the new reservation, and insert the data. But mostly people are using not making reservation not from reservation list, but from calendar. We go from MyRent to calendar planning. We choose the vehicle we want to make reservation on. So, for example, let's say we want to make reservation here on model C5, and we make reservation. Here it will show the software already makes a number of reservation and code and which user. Moreover, it shows the reservation status. For example, if it's rental already, it will be transferred to rental agreement. If it's cancelled by operator, if it's no show, it will be additional fees. And right now it has status of pending, or in other words, on wait. And you can also confirm, and it will change the color in calendar, because we will agree on this reservation. And to make to put the customer details, we simply, if it's a new customer, we simply click here, and we enter all data. But if it's already existing, we just click here, the 3 letters of the surname, and it will show already existing customers with these letters in their surname, and we simply click on it, and it will be all data already here, and it's saved about customer, so we don't need to put the other again and again the same customer. Software also shows the car class, booked is model 3, assigned group is model 3, and location pickup, location starting date, and at what time it will be picked, at what time it will be returned, which you can of course adjust. After there is rates. In rates you see the price for days, you can apply the discount, for example, and first of all we are going to put the reservation source. For example, let's put walking standard, and as we can see, if we put the reservation source of this walking standard, the price is shown is 325.74 for 5 rental days. And if we want, we can apply the discount rate of 10% for this customer, and it will be automatically calculated the new price. You can also put the agent data, and moreover there is also extras, the costs for extras, which is included in the rate and are not included in the rates, where it's divided by included and not included. So for example, this is a price right now with 10% of discount. This is first day, second day, and etc. And if customer wants, for example, in case of other things which are not included in the prepayment, you are just for example, I want to charge for damages. And if you already have this amount inserted, it will change depending on kind of damage, of course. And you have also the section of payment, so you can select the way which customer is going to pay, for example, cash. And moreover, there is additional tab called split payment, which will be explained in next videos. And if you click here on enable split payment, it will allow you to make the other rules for how customer is going to pay. Right now it's enough for making the reservation, so we're just clicking on create reservation. We can also, so it will show that AD82 successfully created on the name of Bianchi Caterina, and if you want to print, we just click here, print reservation. Right now I'm going to check in calendar how it is from, as you can see, from 2nd of September until 7th of September, Model 3. I go to calendar and I check my reservation. It's this reservation, as we can see, and if I click on this, the section is divided into two parts. First part is details of reservation, which was just inserted, and other, in the second part, you can make actions related to this reservation. For example, transfer in rental agreement or sales quote, or for example, force availability of the vehicle, and etc. If you will confirm the reservation, it will be transferred into yellow. Right now it's white, and if you will going to close the rental agreement, it will be transferred into the red.